What's up, everyone, and welcome back to Autoverse. Today, we're stepping into a realm where rugged capability meets unparalleled luxury. Forget everything you thought you knew about camper vans because we're about to explore what might just be the most opulent van build ever created. The 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a rolling 5-star hotel suite. From the outside, you get the classic robust silhouette of the GMC Savana, a van known for its reliability and workhorse attitude. But the moment you look closer, you notice the custom paint job with a deep, metallic finish, the sleek, integrated bodywork, and the custom-forged alloy wheels. It hints that something truly special lies within. The extended wheelbase and raised roofline aren't just for show. They create a cavernous interior space that defies expectations. And before we step inside, let's talk power. Under the hood, you'll likely find a potent V8 engine, ensuring that this mansion on wheels has all the muscle it needs to cruise effortlessly on highways or navigate scenic backroads. Now prepare to have your mind blown. The power sliding door glides open, and you're not stepping into a camper. You're entering a private jet. The craftsmanship is absolutely breathtaking. We're talking wall-to-wall handcrafted woodwork, supple leather upholstery that you just want to sink into, and ambient lighting that can be customized to fit any mood. The limo in its name is no joke. The front cabin is separated from the rear living space by a motorized privacy divider, complete with an integrated high-definition smart TV. This is pure VIP treatment. Let's look at the layout. The main living area features 2 plush, fully reclining captain's chairs with heating, cooling, and massage functions. Can you imagine pulling over at a scenic viewpoint, kicking back, and getting a massage? Between them, a polished wood console houses a mini fridge, crystal glassware, and all your controls. Everything is at your fingertips, managed through a smart home-style touch panel that controls lighting, climate, entertainment, and even the opacity of the panoramic windows. Yes, with the touch of a button, you can go from crystal-clear views to complete privacy. Moving toward the back, you'll find the galley kitchen. This isn't your typical camp stove setup. We're talking a sleek induction cooktop, a convection microwave oven, a stainless steel sink with a designer faucet, and a surprisingly spacious refrigerator and freezer. The countertops are made of a beautiful, durable solid surface material, and the custom cabinetry provides ample storage, all with soft-close mechanisms. It's designed for preparing gourmet meals, not just warming up canned beans. And finally, the part that truly sets this build apart: the rear convertible lounge and washroom. During the day, it's a comfortable U-shaped sofa, perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests. But at night, with the press of a button, it transforms into a queen-sized bed. Above, you have a stargazing sunroof. The real showstopper, though, is the ensuite washroom. It's a proper wet bath, fully tiled, featuring a rainfall showerhead, a modern porcelain toilet, and a vanity with a backlit mirror. Having a hot, refreshing shower and a space this elegant in the middle of nowhere? That is the ultimate luxury. This 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper is a game-changer. It perfectly marries the freedom of van life with the comfort and amenities of a high-end luxury suite. It proves that you don't have to compromise on comfort to explore the great outdoors. It's a testament to incredible engineering and exquisite design. What do you guys think? Is this the most luxurious van build you've ever seen? Let me know your favorite feature down in the comments. Thanks for joining us today on Autoverse. If you love this look at automotive luxury, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. We'll see you in the next one.